Welcome back. I'm Dinesh De Silva. For those who are new to this channel, in this short video, I'll be discussing how to create an effective social media plan. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel by clicking the subscribe button below and gently click the notification bell as well. Now, if you do have any questions, don't forget to leave those questions on the comments area and we'll get back to you. Thank you for listening and let's get started. So let's say this business wants to get to $1 million, like I said here. An example, by the way. The next question you need to ask is, and if this was Rebecca's business, again, a fictitious name, why does Rebecca want to achieve $1 million? What does that 1 million mean to Rebecca? It's so important for you to know and give that goal a meaning. Otherwise, it's just a number. You know, when we give meaning to goals, it becomes so much more valuable. And also because business is hard. Every day you will meet a new challenge. Every day we will have issues. But when our goals are crystal clear and we know why we're heading that way and why we're focused on achieving that goal, you can overcome any obstacle. You can overcome any challenge. So make sure once you've written your goals like this, give it meaning. In this case, Rebecca says, I would have achieved success for myself and my family. Why are we running our businesses? A lot of the time, it is not just for ourselves, it is for ourselves and our families. Then it is the satisfaction we get to enjoy that success and that financial well-being. This is not my language. This is the actual language of a business owner who shared this with us. Okay, so you got to give it your meaning, and it's crucial that you do that. So once you've done that, the next thing you've got to work out is when you're doing social media, you have to do it to certain principles. There are 2 principles in digital marketing. If you've been to my webinars before, you will know this. If you've done Futurize Foundation, which is our digital bootcamp, you will know this. Principle number 1 is to drive the right traffic to your website. Okay, in this case, it's through social media because this is about how do we power your business with a social media strategy. So drive the right traffic to your website using social media. Your principle number 2 is to convert that traffic. We have to convert that traffic into leads and into sales. And it is these sales that deliver us customers, and it's our customers who are our lifeblood of our business. We know that customers give us return business, repeat business, and they also give us referrals. The word of mouth business that we get comes from our customers. So again, guys, so principle number 2 is to convert the traffic that we create from your social media into leads and into sales. By the way, social media is not the only way you drive traffic to websites, but in this webinar, I'm going to focus on social media. The other means, SEO, email is a extremely powerful way of driving traffic to your website, but it's not only digital means, there are non-digital means of driving traffic to your websites, like going to networking events, meeting people one-on-one, making telephone calls, and so many other ways. But today, we're going to focus on digital. Now, when you drive traffic to your website, okay, if you drive the traffic to a website that looks crap, what's going to happen? People are going to come and run away. So all the effort you put in driving this traffic is useless. So the first lesson for you is before you do any social media activity, make sure when they land on your website or your landing page, that landing page can convert that traffic into leads and into sales. If your website looks crap, nothing's going to happen. And the beauty is the way you present your brand and business is priceless. So do not present your brand and business in a way it'll not really do your brand justice. Now, this website looks like $1 million. Now, before they changed their website, it looked like this. So if you drove that traffic into this website, there's a good chance that nothing would have happened. Users would have come in and they would have gone like that. So, by the way, this is not just a website. This is a digital and marketing platform that has been created to a strategy that can convert traffic into leads and into sales. So that's very important before we go into social media.